It's Food Brainwash! In today's episode, we're going to show you how to use the mini food processor. We will be using this to make our hummus and other recipes, including soups and burgers. To open, pull the tabs at the side and then lift the lid off. Inside you'll find the blade. Please be careful of the edges when washing and removing. You could potentially cut your fingers. When adding ingredients into the bowl, you must always hold down the blade so that the ingredients do not get trapped underneath the blade. As you can see here with the chickpeas, we hold the blade down. You may release it before you put the lid on. Pick up the blender motor, place in the slot on the top of the food processor and twist until the marks align. Next, take the plug and put it into the socket, switching it on. Move the slider to the lowest setting on the top of the blender. Squeeze the grey switch to make the motor begin rotating. Once you are satisfied that the mixture has been blended thoroughly, you can stop processing and go to the next stage of your recipe.